Container Products has been here 40 some years, and our name in the industry is number one. I'm proud of what we've done. I'm proud of the fact that we just don't have issues, and that's important in this industry. I'm Dwight Campbell, President of Container Products Corporation, right here in beautiful Wilmington, North Carolina. We've built boxes for the decontamination of power plants, nuclear submarines. Some of it is just regulation waste that comes out of a power plant. In the early 70s to mid 70s, we were in the bulk tobacco barn business. At the end of the 70s, we started working about an alternative to storing radioactive waste in containers versus wooden boxes and drums. And we came up with what's now the industry standard B25. As soon as we got incorporated here, we started jumping into the nuclear industry. And this is where we are today. Our customer base is the DOE, DOD, and the commercial power industry. We do a lot of business north of our borders, and we do some business over in Western Europe and also in the Korean market. We have a bread and butter box, or several bread and butter boxes, but customers will call us with specific designs, and so they will tell us what the dimensions are, and then we will design the box accordingly. So we like that mix. We like that specialty versus bread and butter. It's not all nuclear, but primarily nuclear. So if it can fit in a box and it's a IP designation, 1, 2, or 3, we can build that box. Just kind of bullet points of how we build a box. You know, the raw material is brought in here. Then it goes to tack. It's tacked up and formed, ready to be welded. Goes to the weld station, it's welded off. Our quality department then comes in, does weld inspections. Passes weld inspections, goes to leak test. Once it passes leak test, then it can be prepped for paint, painted, set in final assembly, and put on a truck and shipped to our customers. Every box has to be leak tested. You cannot have a leaking box in this industry. So we take pride in not having that, and we take pride in just the quality of the work and the quality of our workforce. One of the issues we have here at CPC is there's too much forklift traffic. We don't have overhead cranes, and if we could work on the infrastructure here, that would help a lot. Robotics and welding is a potential there. You know, if you are struggling to get welders, there's an opportunity there. And that's some areas that I really believe we can expand on. We do have our welders that have to be tested and have to be certified. Right now we're at 16. We'd like to be up there around 20 welders at a time, but to find good qualified welders is a task. We have some employees that have been here for 25 years, so I really want the employees to have a home that they can be happy with and secure. And so I would love to stay on with any transition to make sure that happens, to assist in any way possible, and work with potential buyers or future owners of this company. Looking at where I've been and my future here, it's been a good place to work. It's a good place for much of our staff to actually learn new jobs, learn new positions, learn new skills. But I would hope that the right person would come along and see it as the way I see it, and let us help make Container Products the best it can be.